Alright, so noticing by that first clip, you saw that there was oil underneath the car. Well, I'll show you who's to blame for this. So, I don't know if you guys seen the video of the exhaust, but someone decided to rev the car to 5 grand numerous times to show that there wasn't an exhaust rattle no more. That is where that comes in. So, we are going to do an oil sending unit replacement, because that is where my oil leak is coming from. And it only leaks when I'm on the gas or the car is running in general, which I found out is normal for GMs on some cars and some applications to leak out of the oil sending unit. So I started the car, I saw it leaking out of the oil sending unit, so got a new part. Now we're going to replace it. No more oil leak. This is how. Alright, so on the 3.8 Series 2 engine on Firebirds or Camaros, the oil sending unit is this right here, right above the oil filter. All you have to do is take if you have a wrench that'll fit over that, or an adjustable wrench, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So lefty-loosey, undo it, unplug it, righty-tighty, put this in, plug it up, you should be good. Now it does have some kind of sealer on it, so you don't have to put any of your own on it. So, alright, let's get to it. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and unclip it. Just has this one clip right there holding it on. It's got its protector. We'll have to clean that connection off. Taking an adjustable ratchet right here, big boy. Going to try and put it on this, if I can even reach it. Alright, lefty loosey. Oh, 2 or 3 turns with the ratchet or wrench, you can undo the rest of it by hand. Now I don't know if it'll leak, so I'm just gonna hurry up and replace it with the new one as I take it out, because I don't have any oil with me, which it does leak. So make sure to hurry up and do the good old switcheroo and thread it in. So now that it's threaded in, I'm going to go ahead and take the ratchet, tighten it up the rest of the way. It is snug because of the sealer on it. Alright, now that we have it back on, you're going to take some cleaner, which I use starting fluid because I think it's pretty much does the same thing as brake cleaner, electrical cleaner. It still dries out the moisture, which is what you want with oil. Alright, now that I got done cleaning it, I will plug it in. So this is where the tab goes, where that pointy end is on it. Don't know if you can see, but that right there is where that tab goes. So I'm going to plug that up for you guys right now. Alright, easy installation. Now I'm going to go start the car and come back and check it for leaks. Alright, I have it started. Now let's check that sensor. So there you go. Straight from me to you, and now you to other people. That is how you change an oil sending unit on a 3800 series 3.8 liter Firebird or GM. Choose it. Choose what you want. So I am going to let it idle some more, give it some more revs, see if it does leak oil, but it's probably not going to because of how it had that locking material put onto the end of that nipple where it threaded in. So remember to like and subscribe. Comment below if you thought this was interesting or any other things you'd like to see on this channel. Big thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. It's FuelUp727. I'll do my best to try and post as many pictures as I can of what's going on. But you guys have a good one. See you next week.